Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make Mars Bars lava cake in the slow cooker. So we got 3 Mars bars and some dessert. We got Invent's rich chocolate cake. I just got the that must be for the icing, but we don't need that. So we're going to put all the things slowly. Chocolate. Okay. So. Get scissors. Scissors. Is it on yet? And I'm going to mix it so if you don't mix it. On the but I'm not going to put it on. Okay. Woohoo! So just pop them in there and so do another one. This will be others. To put it on high. Thank you for watching how to make Mars Bars lava cake. If you guys want to try this recipe, I'll head to write this recipe down below. Let's go. Push a notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. Yum yum.